This is an app that can enable you to earn money in two ways. And these two ways is one, you help people to grow their social media account and you charge them. And then the second one is you refer people to this platform and you also make money. Hey guys, welcome to this YouTube channel. Here we teach you how you can make money without investing. To subscribe to this YouTube channel if what I'm about to say is interested to you. So I'm going to show you how you're going to earn from this particular app. And note guys, I did not say you're going to make millions from this website. All right, so let's start. Now the first step there is that I want to show you is how you can make money by growing people's social media. So as you can see, these are ways you can buy followers, subscribers, and comment and even likes for people's social media. A lot of brands pay people money to do this, most especially social media managers, but they don't tell you this is what they do. All right, so for you to do that, it's just for you to go to this platform here. When you get to this platform, you will see that there are ways you can buy a lot of followers. As you can see, this one here, I'm about to buy followers, right? So I'm going to scroll down, select the amount of followers that I want to buy. At the same time, I'll paste my link over there on that place that is showing link. Then the amount I'm going to pay will be displayed. When that amount is displayed, I'm just going to hit on what buy or process. It's going to process in the space of 1 hour, right? I'm going to hit it. It's going to process in the space of 1 hour, and then automatically it's going to get filled up, right? So you have to get used to this platform. Like I said, this is where you provide the link, and this is where you provide the quantity, right? The amount of followers you want to buy for this brand. So immediately you do that, it will start processing ASAP. So you just hit on this submit button here. If you're done, hit on submit button and it's going to go. Look at what you're paying, 0.1453502 cents, right? And then you're buying 100. See, what I'm saying here is it's relatively cheap to buy from this platform. All right, I'm going to leave the link in the comment section or the description for you to go ahead and sign up from this particular app so you can have people to work for or make money. So you can have a lot of platforms that you want to work with and promote. So the other place I want to show you is the place that is the affiliate, right? That's a referral. You can just copy your link from here, from this dashboard, and go and paste it on your status or wherever you know you have community, and tell people about it, and people are just going to sign up, right? So yeah, when they sign up, you are making nothing less than 40%, right? You're making nothing less than 60%. Initially it was 14%, but I see that it has been increased. And as you can see there, I have actually made like 3 referrals and I have made up to 450 naira. So it all depends on how much the person you referred, their subscribers or followers they bought. All right, this is just a way of boosting their social media presence. A lot of companies are doing this. There are plenty, there are much doing this. So I advise you to key into this and then make money while you help them grow, or make money while you refer. So a lot of tutorials are coming your way. Do subscribe to this YouTube channel. See you on my next video.